3 turkey wings, some rice, broth, and seasonings, and you get this awesome, delicious Southern Cajun turkey wing and rice casserole. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. Let's first start with the seasoning that is going on our turkey wings and will be the flavor for this entire casserole. I have 1 teaspoon of celery salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 good tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, a half a teaspoon of thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder, and this will add a nice background heat, giving that a good mix. I have 3 large turkey wings that I cut into drums and flats. I'm patting the wings dry with a paper towel, and then I'm drizzling over about a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. I'm rubbing the oil all over the wings, and you really don't need or want a lot of oil, just enough for the seasonings to stick. I'm seasoning both sides of the wings. I'm giving the wings a good rub, and I did use all the seasoning. Some of that good flavor is going to cook down into the rice along with all those turkey drippings. Setting the wings to the side while we work on building the casserole. In my 9x13 baking dish, I have 1½ cups of white rice that are rinsed and drained well. And to that, I'm adding the Cajun trinity of 1 cup of diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, and 1 cup of diced celery. I'm also adding 1 diced carrot for some color, giving that a stir to mix. I'm also adding in a few seasonings to the rice. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of my Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and about 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm pouring in my liquid, and I have 2½ cups of homemade chicken broth. And you really don't want any more liquid, because with the 2½ cups, the rice will be nice and tender and fluffy. Also, if you noticed, I haven't added any salt, because I know my Cajun seasoning, celery salt, and now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of better than bouillon chicken will have plenty of sodium. But you can always add to your taste. Giving everything a good stir, and then I'm placing my turkey wings right on the top. Covering the casserole with foil, and I'm baking at 375 degrees for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm removing the foil and baking an additional 20 to 30 minutes uncovered. The Southern turkey wing rice casserole is just about done. I'm removing the turkey wings, covering and letting them rest. The rice is nice and tender and fluffy, as you can see. I'm sprinkling over the top a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley and 1 good tablespoon of fresh chopped chives. I'm giving everything a fluff with a fork, and this will help stir in the fresh herbs and add a nice bright flavor to the rice. Remember to give the rice a taste test for any other seasonings. So let's fix a plate. Serving the Southern Cajun turkey wings and rice with a side of green beans. The turkey wings are tender and juicy with lots of Cajun flavor. The rice is out of this world good. I think the rice was gone before the wings. This is also a great budget meal. I added everything up, and this meal was a little less than $10, and you can feed a family of 2 to 4. I hope you give my Southern Cajun baked turkey wings and rice a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow, and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.